Okay, working on practice problem number 5. Problem number 5 says how many milli-equivalents of sodium citrate are present in 10 milliliters of a 25% weight per volume sodium citrate solution. So I'm going to be looking for milli-equivalents, and I am going to go ahead and set up everything I know about milli-equivalents so that I shall remember long term. So milli-equivalents is equal to weight in grams divided by the molecular weight in grams per mole times the valence. In this particular case, I'm actually looking for milli-equivalents that are in a 10 milliliters of this 25% solution. And I also need to notice that this sodium 3, that means that I have 3 of these sodiums, which means that I need to take that into account in my valence. Forgot to write my valence special isotopes though, so I have ammonium, potassium, chloride, and sodium all have a valence of 1. Of course, there are 3 of them, so there will be a valence of 3 this time around. And calcium and magnesium have a valence of 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. I'm looking for the milli-equivalents, and I have a concentration in 10 milliliters. So that's going to be 10 milliliters. My concentration is 25 grams per 100 milliliter. Of course, we know that I like to move that along. And let's see here, times my valence of 3. And then I need to, don't forget my molecular weight, which is going to be 258 grams per mole. And let's see here. Okay, I need to also take care of some units here because I need to get from moles to millimoles. So 1 mole is going to be the equivalent to 1,000 millimoles. And then I need to know that 1 milli-equivalent is going to be equal to 1 millimole. And I'm going to have some things that are going to cross out here. Moles, millimoles, and we're going to end up with that milli-equivalent. And then let's just stick it in and do some math. We have 10 times 25 times 3 times 1,000. We're going to divide that by 100 and divide that by 258, and that's it. Our answer for this problem seemed more difficult than it was. It wasn't that difficult. It's going to be 29.07 milli-equivalents. And there you have it. Any questions, let me know.